Good morning and hello everyone. We from class RCDCS 1435B. Today, I will presenting our project for digital electronics ITT270. The title of our project is Automatic Fish Feeder. Fish feeding is essential for maintaining fish health and growth, but inconsistent feeding schedules can lead to underfeeding or overfeeding. To overcome this issue, our project is introduced as an automatic fish feeder that dispenses food at scheduled time using simple automated technology. This project aims to improve fish care management through a smart, user-friendly, and cost-effective feeding solution. Introducing our team. We got Hakimi, Adli, Nabil, Zul, and Shamil.
Now we move on to objective. The first objective is to design an innovative automatic fish feeding device that is compact, user-friendly and suitable for daily use by aquarium owners and small-scale fish farmers. Second objective is to develop an effective feeding system by utilizing affordable and reliable components such as Arduino and a servo motor. The third objective is to analyze the functionality and performance of the feeding mechanisms to ensure the device operates as intended and provides benefits to the users. For digital collaboration, we use WhatsApp, YouTube, and Arduino IDLE. For WhatsApp, it serves as the primary platform for our communication among team members throughout the development of the automatic fish feeder. For YouTube, it functions as a key learning platform for this project by providing tutorials and demonstrations related to Arduino programming, servo motor control, and automatic feeding mechanisms. For Arduino IDLE, it used to write, edit, and upload code to the Arduino board, enabling communication between sensors, servo motors, and other electronic components. For approaches and techniques, there is four processes. The first process is dispensing mechanism. The approach is servo motor used as the actuator. The technique is the servo motor is programmed to rotate within a predefined angular range. The second process is feeding storage. The approach is shrink used as container. The technique is the shrink is modified with a small cutout or hole near its tip to allow pellets to exit when rotated. The mechanism relies on gravity to assist pellet flow. Next is timing control. The approach is schedule the feeding intervals twice a day. The technique is the timing mechanism is implemented using Arduino programming logic to schedule feeding cycles exactly every 12 hours, 2 cycles per 24-hour period. The last process is system power. The approach is portable power source. The technique is power is supplied through USB via power bank, phone charger or battery adapter.
So for our project management, we have Muhammad Amirul Adli as the general manager, me, Syed Nabil Fahimi as the electrical engineer, Muhammad Shamim as the designer, Muhammad Zulusni as the assistant designer, and Muhammad Hakimi as the software engineer. Now for responsibilities, we are moving to project manager's responsibilities. She is create a thorough project plan that describes the scope, goals, outputs, and schedules. Delegate responsibilities to team members according to their skills and make sure communication is clear within the group. Distribute and oversee the project finances, keeping expenses within the agreed limits. For software engineers' responsibilities, create, build, and execute software solutions that are aligned within the needs of clients or stakeholders. Afterward, produce clear, effective, and well-explained code, and then work together with stakeholders to collect, assess, and comprehend system needs. Lastly, oversee software post-launch for any issues or necessary updates, and revise or upgrade all code to satisfy modern standards. And then, designer engineers' responsibilities. Choose suitable materials for the enclosure, weighing durability, appearance, and expenses. Evaluate the project prototypes to verify safety, effectiveness, and adherence to quality guidelines. Lastly, examine and address design obstacles to enhance functionality and production ease. And then for electrical engineers' responsibilities, ensure the Arduino Uno is powered correctly and connected securely to the servo motor and other electrical components according to the circuit design. Program the Arduino Uno using the Arduino IDE to control the servo motor's movement and feeding schedule accurately. Lastly, verify that all Arduino input and output pins are correctly configured and match the pin assignments specified in the source code.
Now is the component. The first component is Arduino. Arduino is the main control unit of the system, responsible for processing inputs and controlling the operation of the automatic fish feeder. Next is Jumper. Jumper used to connect electronic components in the automatic fish feeder system. The third one is Arduino USB cable. Arduino USB cable used to supply power and upload programming code to Arduino. Then it is power bank. Power bank is the main power supply for the automatic fish feeder system. And the last component is syringe. Syringe used as the food container in the automatic fish feeder system. This is the result before food drops and after food drops.
So we have come to the discussion part for our project, which is the automatic fish feeder. This project was successfully developed using an Arduino Uno, servo motor and a strings. The system can automatically dispense fish food based on a set time with a smooth servo movement and a low-cost shrink. However, the amount of food released depends on the pellet size and humidity, and an unstable power supply may affect this performance. Overall, the project achieved its objective and can be improved with a better portion control and a protection from moisture. So, this is the video demo for our project. Enjoy!
Introducing our new project, Automatic Fish Feeder. This fish feeder automatically feed your fish twice a day. This is perfect for people who usually busy at work or need to travel far.
So that's all from our group. This project highlights the applications of basic electronics and programming in solving everyday problems through a simple automation. Thank you for watching.